I'm learning the short I sound today.
And apparently my pen's seen better days.
That's okay. Thank you. Sit down. You're already prepared to learn it, aren't you? Okay, so today you'll be successful when you see, Danny, look at my face. When you see the letter I, and you can make the sound of the letter I, okay? So, let me see. If I record the letter I, you watch please. If I record the letter I on my marker board here, it sounds
My marker's right
right.
here.
Here's the letter I. It sounds like the beginning sound in insect. Caliber said it. If. It begins, or I stands for it like insect. Watch. I begins, or stands for if insect. Will you say the sound with me while I write it? I'm going to write another lowercase I. If. That's right. Danny, you ready? If. That's right. If. Good. I want you to help me put that sound, that if sound, with some other sounds, okay? Watch this, Danny. It's helpful for us to know the sounds and words so we can read them. Ready? I'm going to do this letter. What sound is that? I. Now I can blend that together. It. Good. Let's try another one. Say the sound. Say the sound of this letter. This is I. This is I. Mavis, ready? I. Now watch. Here comes the next one. Ooh, I changed it. If. Listen, my sounds say I. If. I'm going to change it again. Ready? Keep it in your head this time. Say the sound in your head. Let's say it together. In. You got it. Let's try one more with that short if sound. Here we go. Keep it in your head. And then we'll blend it together. Ready? Is. You got it. Will you turn your paper over? Practice writing that letter I. And when you say it, I want you to make the sound of it. Watch. So say if. If. For what? Your nose? Yeah, go quick. If. Make the if sound, Danny, while you make that I. Make that if. There you go, Mavis. Good. Make the if. I want to hear you make if. 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 Because I will ask you to tell me the sound of this letter at the end, and if you can do it, you're successful. If. If.
Why did you write
Make
one
the
for
if.
me?
I was modeling. Make the sound while you make the letter. If. There you go. If. Also do that for the lowercase I. Also, Danny, did you say if? Okay, Danny, I want you to write these two letters and then blend it and read it for me.
That's okay. Good job.
Bruce is throwing pens this morning and
It's me yesterday. Could not hold on to my dry erase marker.
throwing them.
And what we're doing, writing your
If.
Yeah, you're right, Danny. Yep, can you write
Good.
that
Now
word?
I want
Mavis,
you
can
to
write
write this
one more?
word, and then we'll blend it together. Write the letters on the line, and then we'll blend it together.
I did it. Oh, my
If.
name.
Say the sounds as well, Caliber. What's the sound of that letter? If.
What's the sound of this letter?
So what word?
Danny, what's the sound of this letter?
It's good. I want you to draw
blend that word with
insect
me?
on the bottom because it begins with it.
Okay, Mavis, good job. Can you write this word for me?
Danny, can you draw an insect on the bottom because it begins with if? There you go. If, insect.
Yep. Mavis, can you blend this word with me? Ready?
How much legs do they
An
have?
insect
It.
typically has 6.
Good job. You wrote and read the word
Maybe
it.
2 are
Mavis,
hiding.
can you draw
Can you
an
draw it?
insect because it says it at the bottom for me?
Oh, I have 6
We can draw that quickly.
Quick.
1, 2, 3,
I was thinking
4,
today, to
5,
see if they can do it, we put a few other known letters in there that we've done.
Yeah,
And just,
that's a good idea.
I did an insect. And then you can do antenna.
Good job, Danny. Okay, I'm going to put the date on this and put it in your folder.
They are 6 legs.
all right, Danny. What does this letter say? What sound? What sound? Good. Caliber, what letter does this, or what sound does this letter say?
S.
What sound? Mavis, what sound? If. You got it. Danny, what sound? Good. Let's try it again. Caliber, what sound? Good. Danny, what sound? What sound? Mavis, what sound? What sound, Caliber?
If.
Danny, what sound? What sound, Mavis? Ah, good. Okay, good job. I think you're ready for the next letter.
I think so too.